Hey guys, I'm Rachel from the Luxy Hair team, and today I'll be showing you 3 super quick fall hairstyles that are perfect if you want to keep your head warm but still have your hair making a statement. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is clip in my Luxy Hair extensions. I'm going to be wearing my 220-gram classic chestnut brown set. This step is totally optional, but as you can see, it makes a huge difference and really adds a touch of magic to any look. The first hairstyle that I'll be showing you is a twisted ponytail. Begin by dividing your hair into 3 sections. Make sure that a majority of the hair is in the back though. Tie off that back section. Next, we're going to be adding in the front sections by twisting them from the front. Take your time while doing this step to make sure you are gathering all your hair gradually. This way you can avoid any weird bumps. Next, what we're going to do is untie the pony and add this section in as well. Repeat this on the second section of your hair. And if you want to add an extra little detail, I like to clip my 2 1-clip wefts together and braid into a single strand. Then I take this strand and clip it underneath the ponytail. Wrap it around the ponytail. This will not only hide your hair elastic, but it'll help cover any sort of mistakes you might have made. And that's it! I accessorized this look with a classic black hat, which really pulled everything together. This is the hairstyle that I always go to if I'm running late, but still want to make it look like I put some effort into my look. The next hairstyle that I'll be showing you is a low bubble side braid. Begin by tying off the part of your hair that you want your braid to start at. Next, start taking small elastics and tying this pony into sections until you have even divisions. Depending on how long your hair is, you may have more or less sections than me, but that's totally okay. Start loosening up the hair between these elastics, and this is your final look. It's a perfect get out of bed and run out the door hairstyle. If you want a more refined and sleek look, for example, if you're going out with friends, just make sure to use a bit of hairspray and a small brush to really define the bubbles. The final and last hairstyle that I have for you is super simple, but I love wearing this in the fall with earmuffs or a headband because it keeps my hair completely out of my face. Tie off your hair in a high pony. This is where your bun will sit. Next, braid your ponytail into one big braid and wrap it into a bun, and you're done. You can also make 2 small braids on each side of your head with the same method as I did here, but it's honestly up to personal preference. That's all I have for you guys today, and I really appreciate you watching. I hope this video was able to give you some inspiration for this upcoming fall season. Let me know which one you're going to try out in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day.